Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the PUBG graphics comparison test between the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device versus the Poco X3 smartphone. As you can see here friends, recently the Realme Narzo 30 Pro is going to get launched in India with the Dimensity 800U processor, and the Poco X3 it's been a while in India already. So a lot of users, they are really confused which phone to buy as well. So that video is coming very soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So right now I'm using this model which is called the Realme Q2, so exact replica of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device, as you can see. So both phones kind of same performance and same camera, same battery, same display, so everything is gonna be same in both the phones. So let's see friends, what is a default PUBG gameplay settings you can actually play in both the phones. So I mean default, so without using any GFX tool. So no GFX tool application is used during this kind of testing. So let's see friends, what is the default comparison and what is a maximum FPS you can actually reach if you're using the default settings without anything or any GFX tool. So let me try to quickly close all the applications in the background, and let me try to start the PUBG game at same time in both the phones. So let's see which phone will actually open the PUBG game faster. So meanwhile, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of all the smartphones which I have reviewed in my channel. As you can see, there are so many other smartphones which I already got in my channel, so make sure to check the links in description for this kind of playlist which I created for you all, so which will be really helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy the mobile phone. So let me try to quickly show you the settings actually what the both phones are. So on the top here is the Poco X3 device, and here is a Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So let me try to quickly open the settings and the graphics. As you can see friends, both phones, they're having the same kind of smooth and extreme smooth and ultra graphics, sorry. So extreme is not present, so there is no smooth and extreme graphics, so that's a really disadvantage. So I did not see any other mid-range segment mobile phone which is actually capable of playing with the smooth and extreme. So maybe if you use a GFX tool, only then it will be working, but most of the mid-range segment mobile phones are only capable of playing at smooth and ultra if you don't use any GFX tool. So these are the default settings what you can get in both the phones. So next is the balanced mode. Both phones are at ultra, and the HD mode both are at high, as you can see here, and HDR both are not supported the HDR mode currently. So these are the quick graphic comparison settings between both the phones. So now let's choose the smooth and ultra setting in both the phones. So let me try to quickly select smooth and ultra. The smooth and ultra is selected in all the categories in both the phones. So let's see how will be the performance of the both phones when you compare side by side in terms of the FPS meter. So in terms of real-time FPS meter friends, so that is what matters more. So let's see which phone will be having the more FPS count while playing this kind of PUBG game side by side. So just in case if you're having any other comparison reviews, if you want me to do with a Realme Narzo 30 Pro with another smartphone, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to cover that kind of topic in my channel. So one advantage with the Poco X3 is that you do get the dual stereo speaker setup on the Poco X3. So whereas in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro right now you don't get any of those kind of options here. So there is no dual speakers, there is only one bottom facing speaker. So let me try to quickly show you the real-time FPS count in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, and meanwhile even I'll try to show the real-time FPS on this Poco X3 as well. So you can see the real-time FPS how much you're getting in both the phones. So this will be the clear indication that which phone is performing actually better and good. So in the Poco X3 there is also another option where you can use the hidden real-time FPS meter. So let me try to enable the real-time FPS meter which is hidden here. So right now you can see friends, this is the real-time FPS meter where you can actually see clearly the FPS count how much you are getting. So you can see the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, so which is really struggling in terms of getting the FPS count above 40 FPS. You can see the difference. So let me try to quickly show you again what graphics I'm using. So if you think I'm using the smooth and extreme, it's not. I'm not using any smooth and extreme. I'm just using the smooth and ultra settings only in the Poco X3 device, and you can see the real-time FPS how much I'm getting right now. 60 fps we are getting in the Poco X3 friends. That's a really good advantage. But in terms of the benchmark thing, the Realme Narzo 30 Pro is a kind of clear winner, which scores about 3,40,000. But in terms of this fps count, I'm not sure what's happening here. Maybe we need to wait for the update from the PUBG or from the Poco device. So in terms of supporting sorry, from the Realme maybe. So that's why we are seeing only less FPS count in this Realme phone at the moment. So let me try to quickly show you the two scenarios where you can track the real-time FPS count. As you can see here, 60 FPS is consistently maintaining in this Poco phone, Poco X3, you can see. And in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, you're getting only 38 FPS. You can clearly see the difference. So this is what I'm talking, friends. Obviously, the Poco X3 is a clear winner. So it doesn't matter if you use the smooth and ultra settings, still you are able to get that kind of settings in this phone. That's a really good advantage in the Poco X3 device. So for more gaming comparisons, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, because I'll be doing this kind of comparisons every day. So in next video, I'll try to use the smooth and extreme settings. So let's see, friends, in the smooth and extreme settings, what will be the real-time FPS count in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So that video will be coming up soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So that's it, friends. Is a quick comparison. So finally we got to know what is the FPS count of this both the phones if you use the default settings. So thank you for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.